Good afternoon. As a veteran fisherman, Peter could have said to Jesus, "Lord, if all night we were not able to catch anything, how much more is the probability that we will be able to catch anything during the day?" But Simon Peter said, "At your command, I will lower the nets." Sinabi mo ikaw ang Panginoon. Naniniwala ako sa iyo, kaya ihuhulog namin ang lambat. And this, I would like to say again, a very important theme, personally, the virtue of obedience. When Peter obeyed, his obedience was rewarded with blessing. When Peter threw the nets, he was awarded with overflowing catch. Kaya mga minamahal kong kapatid, kapag may pinagagawa ang Diyos sa atin, kahit na hindi natin maintindihan, kahit na malabo, gawin natin. Gawin natin. Sapagkat hindi tayo ipapahamak ng ating pagsunod sa Diyos. Hindi tayo dadalhin ng Panginoon sa isang kapahamakan. Minsan kasi natatakot tayo sumunod sa Diyos. Pero kapag tayo sumunod sa Diyos, bibigyan niya ito ng katapat na pagpapala. Peter saw this personally. He experienced how much blessing comes from obedience. But the second point that I would like to point out is this. Jesus told them to put out into deep water and lower their nets for a catch. Deep water. The Lord invited Peter not to a shallow water, not to an easy task. Most of the times, the Lord would invite us to do something that we do not normally do. And I would like to put that in parallel, to the last part of the gospel. Put out into deep water. Why? And then the parallel is, I will make you fishers of men. From now on, you will be catching men. How come? How? Deep water, catching men. It was not easy for Peter and the rest of the disciples to understand, what does it mean, catching men? Are we going to become policemen? Are we going to catch men? It's not something that is ordinarily done. Because the Lord is inviting Peter and the disciples and us to something that is extra special and difficult. Inaanyayahan tayo ng Panginoon sa mas malalim na tubig, sa mas mahirap na misyon. Kasi madaling gawin ang isang bagay kapag madali. Pero ang Diyos, sa maraming pagkakataon, hindi tayo aanyayahan sa mga madadaling gawain. Kaya, una, magtiwala tayo sa Diyos. Kapag tayo'y inuutusan ng Diyos, gawin natin. Pero ikalawa, maging handa tayo na ang misyong ibibigay niya sa atin ay hindi madali. But the assurance is there. The assurance is the Lord will be accompanying us in our mission. Kaya nga, do not be afraid. Many times we hear those words in the gospel and in the Bible as a whole. Do not be afraid. God will lead us to something that is blissful. But it will not be easy. But the reward is greater. Amen.